Okay, now the first one, there's some, you can make things a little easier on yourself. Remember, it doesn't matter what order you multiply in. So, what you could do is you could take the 4x times this and that times that, or you could just do it backwards. You could take the one term times both of those. Because you could rewrite this and put it in front. It doesn't matter if it's in front or in back. So all you got to do is take the negative 2x times 4x.
Negative
X squared. Because an x times an x is x squared. And then take the negative 2 times 7.
Negative 14x.
Yeah. And can we combine anything? No. No.
Let's do 17.
So, 10 is another easy one because it's just one term times this whole thing. It's the same as this except they put the term in front instead of at the end. So all we got to do is distribute the negative 4x squared through. So you multiply. Negative 12 x what? 4. Negative times positive is negative. Make sure, that's what most people get wrong on these, is the signs. So negative 4 times positive 2 is negative 8 x cubed. And then negative 4 times negative 6.
Plus 24
x squared.
X squared, right. Okay, now we get to the binomials. So, FOIL works on these, but you're better off just knowing the property, is you got to multiply everything here times everything there. So just start with the first term. Take this times that. Negative times positive is negative y squared. Then take it times the second term. Negative times positive is negative 8y. And then you're done with the first term. You took it times both of them. So then you got to do the second term times both.
Negative 2y.
And negative 16.
Right. Now, whenever there's more than a couple terms, or more than one term, you're going to end up probably simplifying. And it's usually the middle two that you can combine.
6.
So negative 8 minus 2.
Negative 10.
Negative 10. Why? Minus 16.
What about the y elements?
Negative y cubed. Negative y squared.
This is easy.
Oh,
It's May.
summertime loving.
Oh my god. Please forget that.
Okay, number 12.
You do that.
We got to take each of these times each of those. So start with the first one.
2y
W times 2w is 2w squared. W times 5, 5w, and you're done with the first term. So then negative 3 times positive 2, negative 6w, and then negative 3 times positive 5, negative 15.
Where you can add the 2.
5.
Negative 1w.
So it's 2w squared. A positive 5 minus 6 is negative 1. So don't put, try to get used to not putting the 1. It would just be minus w, minus 15.
Easy. Is this going to be the last thing we're going to test on?
Yeah.
I don't even remember what happened.
Okay, 13. Take the x times both of these. So x times x,
X squared.
x times 9,
9x.
and you're done with the first term.
6 plus 6x.
So that'd be 6x, 54. So then you can combine those two.
So you got X squared.
That is 15x.
So it'd be x squared plus 15x plus 54. Because 9x and 6x makes 15x. Okay, now we get into more of the bigger numbers, so we'll do one more together, and then you just gotta finish the last three. So it's the same problem. We gotta take the negative 2x times both of these.
Negative 16x squared.
Right, don't forget the x times x is x squared. And then negative times positive,
Negative
Negative
6x.
6x.
yep, and you're done with that one. So now the negative 4 times 8,
Negative
Negative
32.
32x.
and the negative 4 times the 3.
Negative 12.
So then these two will combine because they're both x's.
Negative 38.
Yep, because negative 6 minus 32 is negative 38x. Okay, so you just have 3 left.